If you want to make a significant income as a coach or consultant, you need the right business model. But the right business model at the wrong time can be a total disaster. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you the 3 most profitable coaching business models and which one will be best for you. The first model that I recommend almost every single coach start with is one-on-one coaching. Now, I get it. If you're watching this, you may think, Peter, one-on-one coaching is not scalable. It doesn't get my income to the moon. But if you are a new aspiring coach and you've never coached anyone, you have no proven process, you have no curriculum behind you, one-on-one coaching is always the best place to start. One-on-one coaching generally is going to be the most impactful because it's you spending one-on-one time with your clients. And it's also the type of coaching that you can charge the absolute most amount for. It's the highest level because it's a direct demand on your time. Now, I understand that it's not scalable because with one-on-one coaching, you are only trading time for money. And there's only so many hours in the day. So you will hit a ceiling to the number of clients that you can coach. However, what you want to do is when you're building your business, get a handful of one-on-one clients out of the gate so that you can identify the patterns with your clients. Yes, every client of yours is unique and different. I get that. And when you've coached enough people for long enough like I have, you'll identify patterns. And once you've identified the patterns, now you can start thinking about leveraging your time with group coaching or online courses. But if you're watching this and you haven't worked with a client yet, start with one-on-one and charge a premium price for it. Because how valuable would it be, not just for access to your time, but access to your collective knowledge and life experience? That's ultimately what your clients are paying for. They're not paying you for an hour of your time. They're paying you for a transformation that they can only get by accessing your cumulative experience and expertise. So that's the first most profitable coaching model that I recommend. The second is leverage group coaching. Now, I love leverage group coaching. Inside of Fearless Coach Academy, we do a hybrid of both one-on-one and leverage group coaching. The reason why I personally love leverage group coaching is because it lifts the ceiling on the number of clients that you can serve. As I said earlier, with one-on-one coaching, you're constrained by time. When I first started my business, I got to a point where I was coaching about 18 or 19 one-on-one clients. And although I could have taken on more clients if I wanted to, that was a lot, right? Between all the pre-work, the prep work, the post-work, and the coaching calls, the only way for me to grow the business was by working longer hours in that model and taking time away from my family, my hobbies, my friends, and I didn't want to do that. And so that's when I started to pivot and transition into group coaching. But the secret to make a group coaching program as effective as possible is having a curriculum behind you and a team to support you. Let's imagine that you have 30, 40, 50, 100 group clients. That's still something you can deliver on yourself, but it's a lot more valuable if you have a membership site where there's training modules and there's resources that your students and clients can go through so that they don't only get value from you on a one-on-one call, they actually get value from you even if you don't have a call with them every single day. And this maximizes and allows you to leverage the impact that you want to have and the income that you want to earn. So group coaching is a phenomenal business model. If you are just starting out, I do not recommend starting with group coaching because you haven't developed your process yet. There's nothing proven yet about your coaching. Even if you have 20, 25, 30 years of experience and mastery in your arena, in your industry, you still want to start with a couple one-on-one coaching clients just to build your skills and get comfortable. It can feel psychologically like a really big leap to go from working with 0 clients to now launching a group coaching program where you're trying to get 10, 20, 30, 50 people in it. So that's the second most profitable coaching model that I recommend. The third is going to be digital products, specifically online courses. Now, online courses are a certain model, we call it. It's instead of one-on-one or one-to-many, it's what we call none-to-many. And none-to-many means that once you've recorded it, it requires 0 amount of your time to fulfill. It's a pre-recorded online course. Now, of course, you're not going to charge the same price as your one-on-one coaching or your group coaching as you would for a digital product or an online course, but it doesn't require any of your time to fulfill. So the third most profitable coaching business model that I see are online courses. This is another area that I do not recommend most newbies start with because you haven't developed your proven process. Just like the point I made earlier around the group coaching program, it can feel intimidating to create an online course if you've never solved this problem for a client before. It's a lot easier when you've solved this problem for a handful of clients, and now you can put that into a structure, a curriculum, a course for them to go through. Pricing depends. I know some of you are wondering, okay, this is great. These are profitable models. What should I charge? I actually have a pricing guide for coaches, by the way, if you want to know what to charge for one-on-one, group, and online courses. If you want to access it, you can probably just click the link in the description below or comment pricing guide, and I'll get it to you because it does range. Generally speaking, you want to charge your most premium, highest prices for one-on-one coaching, your next level pricing, right, slightly below that for group coaching, and then the minimum, most affordable for an online course. When I first launched my online course, I have a program called the 6-Figure Coach Case Study Program. Because I hadn't delivered it before, my first time I launched it, I charged $97. It did not make me wealthy, but it allowed me to get some paying customers that turned into clients, and I just made the program better and better. And now we charge about $997, about $1,000 for it. And that's a great price point to aspire to because at $1,000, now you not only can create some profit from your online course, but you have enough margin to actually pay out affiliates and commissions for joint venture partners. Imagine having referral partners, joint venture partners that have your audience. They promote your course for $997. You share 50% of the profit with them. You don't have to pay a dime to acquire that client, but you do pay the affiliate fee. And now you're getting a bunch of clients and customers. So it's a very profitable, scalable coaching model. However, if you're just starting out, you have no audience, do not start here because for you to hit 5K a month, 10K a month, 20K a month, 50K a month, you need a big audience who knows, likes, and trusts you. And if you don't have that yet, you can make a beautiful sales page, you can make a great course, but no one's going to buy it because you don't have an audience. So let's focus on building the audience first, getting a handful of one-on-one clients into the gate, then developing your group coaching program, and then packaging your knowledge into an online course so that you can scale your impact and income to the moon. That's my recommendation of the process to follow. Now, I'm curious, many of you come from many different walks of life. Leave me a comment and let me know which of these models most resonates with you. Do you want to do one-on-one coaching, group coaching, or an online course? Just drop a comment below and let me know. Before I wrap up this video, I've noticed recently that the majority of you, like 73% watching these videos, aren't subscribed to my channel, which is way too high. So if you could do me a favor, I would appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. That's way you never miss a future video. And if you are a coach and you want to fast track yourself to getting more clients, scaling a coaching and consulting business, I actually recently created a free online course that walks you through the 7 steps every one of our clients use to start a profitable coaching business. So just click up here, watch that video now. It's completely free, and I'll see you in the next training. See you soon.